In this video, we are going to be looking at a solved example of a non-homogeneous equation. Now we look at this question. We have x plus y plus 1 dx plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 dy equal to 0. Okay, now from our previous video, we saw that to solve a non-homogeneous equation, we solve this and we solve this simultaneously, equating it to 0. But now there's a problem here with this. This cannot be solved simultaneously. The simultaneous equation has no solution. When you say x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, and you have 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Now if we multiply the whole of equation 1 by 2, we are going to get 2x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. Now, and if we subtract 2x minus 2x is 0, 2y minus 2y is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, so we get 1 equal to 0, meaning that there is no solution to that. So how do we treat a case like this? Now, to solve a question like this, we can say let t be equal to x plus y. Let t represent x plus y. And if t represents x plus y, why? Because x plus y, we have x plus y here, we also have x plus y here. Actually, that's the reason why it has no solution, because both are in terms of x plus y. Okay, so if we say let x plus y equal to t like we have here, then it means that the t is equal to dx plus dy according to addition rule of differentiation. Okay, so it means your x plus y here becomes t, so you have t plus 1. Then your 2x plus 2y, we can factorize 2. When we factorize 2, we have x plus y, making it 2t. So we have 2t minus 1. Then your dy, making dy subject of formula, would be dt minus dx. So in this case now, what have we done? We have reduced the whole of this equation to just dt and dx. So the next thing here is to open this bracket, okay? So 2t plus 1 times dt will give us 2t plus 1 dt. Then there's already a minus here. 2t plus 1 times dx will give us 2t plus 1 dx, all equal to 0. Then we can collect like terms. This is the x, this is the x, okay? So we can add both together. And if we do that, the x is common here, so we can factorize the x. That's what we did here. Then add whatever is in the bracket, okay? So that's why we have t plus 1, then minus 2t, because this minus sign will affect everything here. So minus 2t minus 1 dx. Then you already have your 2t plus 1 dt, all equal to 0. Now, if we continue from here, we are going to have that t plus 1 minus 2t minus 1, that's where you're coming from, dx, plus 2t plus 1 dt equal to 0. So you can see that t minus 2t here will give us minus t. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. So you have just minus t dx. Then plus 2t plus 1 dt, okay, equal to 0. Now this is already looking like a homogeneous equation. So I divide through by dt. Not really a homogeneous equation, a separable variable, sorry. Now if I divide through by minus t, we are going to get this. That's the x plus 2t minus 1 over minus t dt equal to 0. Then here you should see that, remember, when you say 2t plus 1 over t, it means 2t over t plus 1 over t, okay? And 2t over t is 2. That's how we got this 2 here. Then you have your 1 over t here, okay? So that now, the negative sign here already makes this positive to become negative. So that's why we have the minus there. Now let's continue from there. Okay, so you now have dx minus 2 plus 1 over t dt equal to 0. Now this is exactly a separable variable function. And to do that, to solve that, you have integral of dx minus integral of 2 plus 1 over t dt equal to a constant c. That's the solution to separable variable. Now integral of dx is x, like we know. Integral of 2 is 2t. We are integrating with respect to t here. and integral of 1 over t is ln t, okay, all equal to a constant c. Now if we open this bracket now, okay, if we open the bracket, we are going to get x minus 2t minus ln t, okay? And here what we did was to substitute back the value for t. Remember, t initially was x plus y, so this will be 2 minus into your t here is x plus y, then minus ln t here is x plus y, okay? So that's why we have, when you multiply this now, you're going to get minus 2x minus y. That's what we got here. Then minus ln x plus y is what we got here. Now you should also notice here that we already have an x here, so x minus 2x, this x minus 2x is what gives us minus x here. Then minus plus 2y gives us minus 2y. Then you have minus plus ln xy gives us minus ln xy equal to c. Now if you like, you can choose to multiply through by a negative number. You can leave your answer this way, still correct, but you can still multiply through by a negative number, you know. Minus times minus 1 times minus x is x, minus 1 times minus 2y is 2y, minus 1 times minus ln x plus y is ln x plus y, all equal to c. I didn't need to put minus c because it still means c, it's still a constant c. Okay, thank you very much for watching.